When you open Smart Audiobook Player for the first time, it will ask you to select a root folder. This is simply the main folder where all your audiobooks are stored on your device. In the pop-up, the app also recommends a specific folder structure, and honestly, I recommend following it. It helps the app organize and display your audiobooks correctly. Let me explain the folder hierarchy that Smart Audiobook Player recommends. First, create a main folder called Audiobooks. Inside that, create separate folders for each author. Then, inside each author folder, create a separate folder for each book. Let me show you how I have organized my audiobooks. I have an Audiobooks folder. Inside it, I've created two author folders, one for Chris Guillebeau and another for Dave Ramsey. Inside the Chris Guillebeau folder, I have two books, Side Hustle and The $100 Startup. And inside the Dave Ramsey folder, I have Baby Steps Millionaires. Each book folder contains the actual audio files for that audiobook. Once complete, your folder structure should look like this. Now, don't worry if this looks complicated. I'll show you exactly how to create this in a moment. First, let's connect the root folder to the app. Go back to Smart Audiobook Player and tap OK on the pop-up. Now, select the Audiobooks folder you just created. You'll see all the subfolders inside. Just tap Use this folder. Next, the app will ask for permission to access your files. Tap Allow, and that's it. All your audiobooks will now appear in the library section, ready to play. Just tap any title and start listening. Now let me quickly show you how to create this folder structure on your Android phone. Open your file manager. For example, My Files. Tap on Internal Storage, because that's where you'll save your audiobooks. Now, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select the Create Folder option. Name the folder Audiobooks and tap Create. Now open the folder and create a new folder for each author. For example, I'll create a subfolder for Chris Guillebeau. Now inside the Chris Guillebeau subfolder, I'll create a subfolder for one of his books called Side Hustle, where I will place all audio files for that book. Repeat this for all your audiobooks and you're done. Link to the full Smart Audiobook Player tutorial is in the description. I use Libro.fm because it provides DRM-free audiobooks that work perfectly with Smart Audiobook Player. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more audiobook tips and tutorials.